Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. Hello my all viewers, Assalamu alaikum, happy Ramadan to all of you watching me from Bangladesh, Nepal, Indonesia and Malaysia and all over the world. Thank you so much for being on my video. Let's start today's drawing. I am drawing a simple beginner's easiest scenery, so take out your pencil. Here I'm using a 2HP pencil and a simple paper. So first of all, I'm drawing two curvy lines opposite to each other and then drawing a hut over that curvy line just like this. I hope you learn with me very easily because my drawings are very beginner friendly. And don't forget to comment on my channel, especially on this video, how this drawing is, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm drawing a tree just right near to that house. The tree is a bit larger in upward section, and now I'm drawing another tree at the right corner of the page just like this. Now drawing some bushes all over one by one, and our drawing is about to complete, so don't forget to subscribe.